Wanted Khalistani terrorist Happy Passia is set to be extradited from the United States to India in the coming days. Sources within central security agencies have confirmed that Happy Passia, who's currently in US custody, will soon arrive at Delhi airport under tight security arrangements. Let me just give you a little context here. Happy Passia was arrested on the 17th of April in California's Sacramento by US Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE officers, following sustained coordination with Indian agencies. He's actually been on the radar of Indian authorities for his alleged involvement in a series of terror attacks across Punjab, as my colleague Anushka was reporting just a few moments ago. Anushka also joins us live at the moment. Anushka, how soon can we expect Happy Passia to be brought back to India?
That's right. What we are getting to know from our sources is that the process is on. Once all the formalities are cleared, the date will be given as to when Happy Passia will be brought back on Indian soil. Now, this is seen as a major breakthrough for the Indian agencies because Happy Passia is a wanted criminal in over 16 cases. He has, in fact, also orchestrated a series of bomb and grenade attacks across, Punjab, not just in police posts, but also a police station, but also abandoned post and religious site in Amritsar. He has been, in fact, also working in coordination with Pakistan's ISI, and not just that, he has, in fact, also said to have shared links with Babbar Khalsa, which is a banned terror outfit. Now, this is seen as a major breakthrough of Indian agencies bringing justice to the terrorists who are, in fact, right now operating from outside of India. He has been wanted in 33 cases in India. He has, in fact, also accepted a lot of criminal cases that happened, a lot of terror attacks that happened on Punjab soil and via social media posts. Not just this, he has been on the run, and he's in fact detained and taken into custody by the ICE in US on April 17th. Now, the process of extraditing him back to India has started. Soon a date will be cleared as to when he will be handed back to India for, when he will come, he'll of course face justice in, for the terror attacks that he conducted on Indian soil. Now, not just that, we also saw that this is a major breakthrough for the central agencies in India, which has, in fact, also brought back a lot of accused terrorist, wanted terrorist from foreign soil. We also saw 2611 accused Tahavur Rana, who was extradited back to India on 10th of April. Now we are seeing that Happy Passia, who was taken in US custody, will be extradited back to India very soon. The date will be cleared, and the sources which have indicated that he will be handed back once he lands in India. The central agency will take him into custody, and Punjab police and NIA will be holding a series of investigation and will try to find the links of him having links with Pakistan and Babbar Khalsa. Over to you.